Good morning, students. As we were reading chapter number 12, Champa's Fruit Basket. So, today I will explain this chapter once again in a short way. Then we will do tick the correct options and question answer of this chapter. Champa's Fruit Basket. There was a big garden in Champa's house. There were many fruit trees in her garden. I am going to Pony's house, Champa said to her mother. I am taking some fruits for her. She likes to eat fruits. All right, said her mother, come home soon. Champa put 3 bananas and 2 guavas in a basket. Then she said, bye, mother, and began to walk towards Pony's house. So, students, what is in this story? In this story, there was a big garden in Champa's house, and in this garden, there were many fruit trees. One day, Champa wanted to go her friend Pony's house, so she was taking some fruits for her. Her mother said to Champa to come back home soon. Champa was taking 3 bananas and 2 guavas in a basket for her friend Pony. Okay, so on the way there was a small tree. A monkey sat on the branch of the tree. It saw the basket and said, aha, I like bananas. So, what happened with Champa when she was going to her friend Pony? Okay, so when Champa was going to her friend Pony's house, so on the way there was a small tree, and on this tree there was a monkey sat on the branch. When monkey saw the basket, so he said, aha, I like bananas. It bent down from the tree and took the bananas. But Champa did not see the monkey. So students, when a monkey saw the bananas, so he wanted to take the bananas. He bent down from the tree and took the bananas from Champa's basket. But Champa was not aware monkey took bananas from her basket. There were 2 parrots nearby. They looked at the basket. Guavas, said the parrots. We like guavas. So what happened? When she go towards that way, there were 2 parrots nearby. And when they looked at the basket, they found guavas. Parrots also want to take guavas. They flew down and took the guavas. Champa did not see the parrots, so they flew down on the ground and took guavas from the Champa's basket. Once again, Champa was not aware guavas was not in her basket. A cow looked at Champa. It saw the big basket in Champa's hand. The cow was frightened. Moo, said the cow. It jumped and bumped into an orange tree. So when Champa go towards that way, so there was also a cow on that way. A cow looked at Champa. Champa, and when the cow saw a big basket in Champa's hand, so the cow was frightened and jumped and bumped into an orange tree. When the cow was jumped and bumped into an orange tree, some oranges fell into Champa's basket. Once again, Champa did not see the oranges. Soon Champa reached Pony's house. "Hello, Pony," she said. "Here is some fruit for you." And when Champa reached the pony's house, then she said to her friend, she took some fruits for her. Okay, so that was our story. Okay students, it means इस चैप्टर में जो गर्ल है चंपा, उसके गार्डन में बहुत सारे फ्रूट ट्रीज थे। एक दिन जब चंपा अपनी फ्रेंड पोनी के घर जाना चाहती थी, तो वो अपने साथ कुछ फ्रूट्स लेके जाती है। क्या फ्रूट्स थे वो? 2 बनानास एंड गुआवास। लेकिन व्हाट हैपन, जब वो उस वे से जाने लगी, तभी एक छोटे से ट्री पर एक मंकी बैठा था। जब उस मंकी ने चंपा के बास्केट में बनाना देखा, तो वो उसे लेना चाहता था, बिकॉज monkeys लाइक बनानास। तो मंकी ने क्या किया, ट्री की ब्रांच से बेंड डाउन हुआ, यानी कि नीचे झुका, और चंपा के बास्केट से बनानास ले लिए। बट चंपा को पता ही नहीं चला। चंपा आगे की ओर चल दी। वहीं नज़दीक में 2 पैरट्स बैठे थे। जब उन पैरट्स ने चंपा के बास्केट में गुआवास देखा, तो वो गुआवास लेना चाहते थे। दोनों पैरट्स उड़ते हुए नीचे आए और उन्होंने चंपा के बास्केट से गुआवास ले लिए। वंस अगेन चंपा को पता ही नहीं लगा कि उसके बास्केट से गुआवास ले लिए गए हैं। जब चंपा आगे की ओर बढ़ी, तो उस वे पर एक काऊ थी, उस रास्ते में एक काऊ थी। जब उस काऊ ने चंपा के हाथों में बड़ा सा बास्केट देखा, तो वो डर गई और डर के मारे वो एक ऑरेंज ट्री के नीचे जंप और बम्प करने लगी। तभी चंपा के बास्केट में कुछ ऑरेंजेस गिर गए, और जब चंपा अपनी फ्रेंड के घर पहुंची, तो उसने उस फ्रूट के बास्केट को अपने फ्रेंड पॉनी के घर पहुंची, तो उसने उस फ्रूट के बास्केट को पॉनी को दे दिया। पॉनी बहुत ही खुश हो गई। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल डू टिक द करेक्ट ऑन। Here we have to circle the correct words to complete these sentences, but I have tick mark on the correct word. Okay. Champa put 3 bananas and 2 mangoes or guavas in a basket. चंपा ने 3 बनानास और 2 मैंगोज रखे या गुआवास रखे अपने बास्केट में। So the answer is guavas. Okay, 3 banana और 2 guavas ही तो रखे थे उसने। Now second, aha, said the monkey, I like bananas और guavas. जब मंकी ने चंपा के बास्केट में देखा, तो उसने क्या पाया? बनाना और गुआवा। मंकी को क्या पसंद था, बनाना या गुआवा? It's bananas. So the correct answer is bananas. 2 parrots were flying or walking nearby. 2 parrots flying कर रहे थे या walking कर रहे थे? Answer is flying. The cow bumped into an orange or apple tree. Cow frightened होकर, डर कर ऑरेंज ट्री के नीचे बम्प करने लगी या एप्पल ट्री के नीचे? आंसर इज ऑरेंज ट्री. Pony said, I like oranges or bananas? Oranges. Okay. Now we will do question answer. Where was Champa going? Champa कहाँ जा रही थी? Champa was going to Pony's house. What did mother say? Mother ने क्या कहा था? When Champa was going to her friend Pony's house, तब mother ने क्या कहा था? Her mother said to come back home soon. उसकी मामा ने घर जल्दी वापस आने को कहा था. Did Champa see the monkey? क्या चंपा ने मंकी को देखा था? No. So the answer is no. Champa did not see the monkey. Now next question. Do parrots like guavas? क्या parrots को guavas पसंद थे? Yes. पसंद करती थी, जब तो उन्होंने उसके चंपा के बास्केट से ले लिया. Yes. Parrots like guavas. What fruits fell into Champa's basket? When on the way, cow see a big basket in Champa's hand, then cow jumped and bumped into orange tree. Then oranges fell into Champa's basket. So what fruits fell into Champa's basket? Oranges. Oranges fell into Champa's basket. So students, that was our question answer which we have done.